Do you want to make tons of money from your home? In this video, I'll show you how you can make money selling AI images with just a few clicks, with no monthly fees or experience required. Just watch the video all through and get started. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can learn the latest ways to make money online. Now let's get started. I'm sure that you've seen how artificial intelligence has recently been taking the world by storm. There are myriads of ways you could start making money almost immediately using AI. There are so many ways and places to sell these arts. For example, you can sell AI art on Fiverr for $10, $20, or even more for each one. Many people just like you who earn tons of money for this method. This is a whole new world that will now be opened up to you. In fact, the AI art market is worth over $1.34 billion. And many people are making thousands of dollars for images literally stating that it comes from AI. But the problem is that AI apps that create this level of art will cost you a small fortune in either subscription fees, credits, or expensive software just to create just a few of these images. But don't worry. I have just the thing for you. It's called AI Unlimited, and it helps many people to make tons of money selling AI art. AI Unlimited makes it easy for anyone to create art that looks like a work of a master. You'll be able to create unlimited AI images 100% for free, with no paid software, credits, subscriptions, or experience required. Zero graphic design skills or artistic ability required. Just type in a few keywords and watch as artificial intelligence magically creates your image within seconds. AI Unlimited opens up a whole new scalable world of opportunities. Use this to sell digital and physical items along with getting insane amounts of traffic and so much more. Plus, you can insert customers into stunning high-quality professional-looking art, limited only by your imagination. Imagine how much they would pay you. It is about giving the world the ability to create images exactly how they want. Now you give them those images and get paid. You can make image after image for free. Make them in seconds and sell them for a lot of money. Add some words to an image and sell for a ton. You can do this all day. Thousands of art images sell for $70 a pop. Hundreds of digital paintings sell for $90 a pop. It isn't about making one type of image or focusing on digital, physical products. There are so many opportunities for you to profit from this opportunity and sell in so many different ways and on many platforms. Remember that you don't have to pay any money and can make as many images as you want. Before AI Unlimited, so many people wanted to get into this game, but they realized that it costs so much, and it isn't scalable to produce these images on a massive scale. Now the sky is the limit for you to crush this. You can make posters and sell them for $129 each. The sky is the limit. There is the opportunity to give anyone the image that they want on demand. The opportunities are endless. Create comic books. Unique t-shirts designs. Images for mugs. Story characters. Personalized books. Make unique posters. Coloring books. Image collections. Your own stock photos. Etc. Without being an artist or graphic designer, let the AI Unlimited system do all of the work for you. Imagine typing in a few simple keywords and watching artificial intelligence whip up multiple images of your desired creation within seconds. These are professional images that 99.99% of the population couldn't do on their own, let alone in seconds. These are high-quality professional images. Now imagine selling those images in all kinds of ways for extra easy mega bucks. Again, 100% for free, without limitation. Once you get access to AI Unlimited, there's absolutely nothing stopping you from crushing it with artificial intelligence. Check out the below link in the description box to learn more and get AI Unlimited now. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.